It's English time, it's English time. Come and let's have fun. Read, write, speak, and watch, but listen, participate, and experience the magic of words. Welcome to a brand new acquisition of knowledge. This is Respectacular Learning English with Teacher Reese.
Okay, good morning everyone and welcome once again to another episode of Result Delightful Lesson. This is Teacher Reese and welcome to our English time. Alright, our learning competency this week, use common and proper nouns in a sentence. So you may locate this also in our modules. I have already uploaded your modules in our Google Classrooms. Can you still remember this noun? Well, this noun is one of the parts of the speech names. It names one, a person, names of a person. So let's use this pen, so pardon me with my writing. Number 2, it may also name place, so you can also see or you can say place also. Next we have a thing, so anything that you can see around you, these are nouns. Also aside from a person, place, thing, it may also name of animals, also with ideas, correct? Or let us say events. What are the events? Events, occasions. You may also it may also name of qualities, so a quality of a person. So we have our abstract nouns, right? So these are associated words when it comes to the parts of the speech noun. It names a person, a place, a thing, animal, idea, events, qualities. I have given you this as an example last time. So I have here a dialogue entitled A Surprise for Mom. So from this dialogue, you can identify nouns here. I'm giving you time to write or jot down these nouns that I have used in this dialogue. Okay, so you can pause this video while you are writing the nouns. Remember, nouns, names of a person, place, things, ideas, events. Do you have the same words as this? So please help me in reading number 1. So how will you read this one? Alright, it's Kenneth. Okay, we also have Lian. What about this? Okay, Mom. What about this? How will you read this one? Okay, very good. It's a day. What about this? It's Dad. What about this? I know you know how to read this word. It's birthday. What about this one? Alright, it's cake. And what about this word? Okay, food. Then we have the Tagalog term pasalubong. Then we have home, mini, or Sunday may also it's minute if it is an adjective. But since we are talking about noun, it is minute. Then we also have your love. So these are the words that I have used in our dialogue. Now, differentiate common noun from a proper noun. When we say common noun, a common noun is a word that describes a group of people, places, things, or ideas. Unless it starts a phrase or it is part of a title, it is normally not capitalized. So I want to emphasize that a common noun not capitalized. So the first letter of that word is not capitalized. On the other hand, when we say proper noun, a proper noun is a word that starts with a capital letter or refers to a specific person, place, thing, or idea. I want to emphasize the word specific. So when we say proper noun, it talks about a specific person, place, thing, or idea. Unlike in a common noun, it's not capitalized. In a proper noun, this is your clue that the first letter of the word is being capitalized. So it starts with a capital letter. So remember this one. Common noun, not capitalized, and proper noun is capitalized. Alright, so let's find out. So here are the examples of a common noun and proper noun. So look at these examples. We have the word province. So province is a common noun, and if we give a specific or proper noun for province, Ilocos Norte. So these are just examples. Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte. So another province, we have Manila, right? Metro Manila. We also have here flower. Flower is the common noun for Sampaguita. We also have santan and other kinds of flower. Then we have pageants. So there are different pageants. It may be local, national, or international. So I have here an example, Binibining Pilipinas. Correct? Then we also have teacher. So teacher is a common noun, which if you will give a proper noun for teacher, you may have Mr. De La Cruz, Mrs. De La Cruz, Miss Cruz, month. So we have November. We have 12 months in a year, right? So November is just an example. Since we are now in November, then I use November as an example for the proper noun for month. Then we also have holiday, and it's fast approaching that we will have Christmas seasons. So these are some of the examples. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you can observe, common noun, we are correct by mentioning a while ago that these nouns must start with a small letter or they are not capitalized. And proper noun, they must start with a capital letter. So as you can see here, I am encircling this letter. So common noun starts with a small letter, and proper noun must start with a capital or big letter. So that is one of the clues that you need to understand. Now let's proceed with our next slide. Now I'm giving you a chance. Try to categorize the following words that I've used in the dialogue that are common noun or proper noun. So I'm giving you time. You can also pause this video while you are categorizing these nouns that I have used. Alright, so I'm giving you a chance. You can pause the video. Okay, so let's continue with our discussion. So if you can observe, Kenneth, we have Lian, mom, day, dad, birthday, cake, food, pasalubong, home, minute, and love. Alright, so let's check your answers in categorizing the following as to common noun and proper noun. Kenneth, so this is, okay, proper noun. So let's have a random. What about home? Alright, so this is a common noun. What about day? Very good. So this is also a common noun. Okay. What about Lian? Very good. So we have PN or proper noun. Now, maybe you have already an idea. How will you identify a word, whether common noun or proper noun? Very good. Because Kenneth, Lian start with a capital letter, so automatic they are specific names of a person. So Kenneth and Leon starts with, look at this, K and L. To observe this, home starts with small letter H, and then they also starts with a small letter D, so they are common noun. Alright, so I will give you an answer key during our synchronous class. So I hope you got this 4 already. Alright, so in your notebook, read the following items and you copy the items so that you will try to identify if the underlined word or words either common noun or proper noun. So you will write there common noun before the sentence. So you make the proper noun if it is proper noun. So I'm giving you again another time to complete this activity. Number 1, the country is under the COVID-19 pandemic. So I have underlined the word country. Number 2, I have submitted my outputs for my English class. So the underlined word there is English. Then number 3, they have enjoyed playing in the park a year ago. So the word there is park. Number 4, I am excited for the reading month. So I have underlined reading month. Then number 5, Mrs. Cruz is reminding us about our online class rules. So all you need to do is to identify the following either common noun or proper noun. Again, I'm giving you time. You can pause this video while you are doing the activity. Okay? You can pause now. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's see if you have the same answer. Now, let's try to answer number 1. Number 1, the country is under the COVID-19 pandemic. So what is the answer? Very good. So the answer now is, this is a common noun. So this is a common noun, country. Then we have your specific noun. Then you also have your English. So of course this is, right, this is proper noun. So again, you may complete the words. Then number 3, we have the word park. Alright, so this is common noun. What about number 4? Reading month. Okay, so this is proper noun. And number 5, we have Mrs. Cruz. So that is proper noun. Okay, so let me see if who got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What about 0? Okay, so congratulations. So that is all about our common noun and proper noun, and it's all about nouns. So remember, noun names a person, places, things, ideas, animals, and qualities. So remember the 2 kinds. We have common noun and proper noun. So see you again in our next video. Goodbye.
So there, I hope you learned something new today.